In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily breathe some new life into your tired old patio. First thing to do, take an old screwdriver and start raking out the joints. The more you can get out, the better. This will allow us to push as much mortar as possible into these joints, ensuring its longevity. Time to clean up. Sweeping with this technique will prevent you sweeping it all back into the joints. Using 4 parts of building sand and 1 part cement, we are aiming for a semi-dry mix. Tom, what kind of consistency are you going for when mixing up?
So what we're aiming for is the mix to be as dry as possible, but wet enough that we can mould it with our hands. It's still a little bit too dry.
Why is it so important to get this step right?
So the idea is, the drier you have it, the less mess you're going to make of your slabs. But obviously it can't be too dry, otherwise it's just not going to set. You'll get it somewhere in the middle. It's mouldable by hand like that and it doesn't fall apart. That's perfect.
It's important that the patio is dry for this next step. Wet or even damp paving slabs would result in smearing cement everywhere. Using the edge of the trowel, you can really force the material deep into the joint. Grab your smoothing tool, and in my case it's a piece of plastic pipe, but you can use a spoon or even the handle of a screwdriver. Shape the material like this. Gently brush away the excess. I would advise working around a square metre at a time, perhaps less if you're in direct sunlight. If the material dries before you've had a chance to shape it, it's unlikely to last. To help speed up the curing process, we are going to give the patio a light sprinkle of water. In an ideal world, I would cover the whole area in plastic now and force it to dry slowly. However, I don't have any plastic sheeting, so I will give the patio another soaking tomorrow. I'll leave it for 2 weeks to cure and give the whole patio a pressure wash. If you've gotten any value from this video, please consider subscribing.